Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get crypto wallet Payday 3. Open your platform wallet, pick a provider, and create a new wallet immediately. Write the recovery phrase on paper and store it in a safe place offline. Add a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Test with a small deposit before transacting larger amounts and avoid public Wi-Fi when managing keys. Setting up security properly keeps your crypto safe and stress-free. Start by enabling two-factor authentication and use a unique password manager for credentials. For larger holdings, consider hardware devices or cold storage to isolate keys from online risks. Regularly update wallet software and verify addresses before sending funds to avoid mistakes. Treat the recovery phrase like cash and never enter it on unknown websites or messages. Before fully trusting a new wallet, always send a tiny test transaction to confirm addresses and fees. Check network options and gas estimates to pick an efficient route without overspending. Once confirmed, transfer the intended amount, but consider splitting funds between wallets for risk management. Keep clear records of transactions and receipts so you can reconcile quickly if anything looks off or requires dispute resolution with support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.